Solar panel manufacturing and installation requires several different components to ensure proper conversion of sunlight to electricity. At TBP, we carry solutions to properly seal solar panels and battery packs, all while streamlining your installation process. When solar panels are being made, individual solar cells are laminated and attached to a metal frame. TBP carries numerous solutions for this process, including adhesive sealants, tapes, and gasketing materials from our vendors, including 3M, Dow, Sika, and more. 3M Scotch-Weld 2-part epoxy and acrylic adhesives are a great option for attachment of metals to dissimilar substrates. This product portfolio is designed to withstand environmental extremes while exhibiting extremely high tensile and overlap shear strength, engineered for a variety of joint movement requirements, dependent on application. The durability and flexibility from 3M Scotch-Weld structural adhesives makes for easy and efficient installation you can rely on. 3M VHB is known for its ability to create a strong initial bond and for its ease of use. Once the tape is adhered and adequate pressure is applied, users will see 50% strength in 20 minutes, 90% strength in 24 hours, and full strength within 72 hours. This process can be sped up with a variety of surface protection techniques, including primers and abrasion. In a nutshell, the 3M VHB product line consists of a double-sided acrylic foam tapes that can adhere to a variety of substrates, while eliminating the need for mechanical fasteners and improving aesthetics. TBP Converting is one of a select group of companies in the United States that has an Engineered Adhesive Specialist, or EAS, program with 3M. Members of our team are specially trained by 3M to work on unique bonding applications, ensuring our customers get solutions that meet their specific needs. At TBP, we also carry Dowsil 995 silicone structural sealant that is perfect for attaching solar panels to metal frames. This product offers unprimed adhesion to most substrates and can withstand temperature extremes and UV radiation, up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Dowsil 995 is also hurricane impact rated. It is also crucial to ensure that the battery pack on your solar panel is sealed and protected from water, dirt, and debris. At TBP, we fabricate custom foam and rubber gaskets, allowing you continuous access to the power box while still protecting the internal electronics. Zylock 1085 Butyl Mastic tape is an innovative solution for installing your solar panels. During the mounting process, it is crucial to create a watertight seal. Zylock 1085 ensures that no moisture seeps between the panel frames and mounting surface, while also helping to absorb vibrations caused by wind and other external factors. TBP is one of the only converters in the United States that can custom die-cut butyl, making your solar panel installation hassle-free. TBP offers the support and expertise to make your solar panel manufacturing and installation processes as seamless as possible. For additional information on these or any other products, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tbpconverting.com. From all of us at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.